why swimming is the perfect exercise for seniors. There are many reasons why swimming and water-based exercise may be the best choice for seniors. Water-based exercises are second only to walking in lowest rates for injuries. They are commonly used for physical therapy modes for those recovering from major surgery. Water also provides more options for those who are lacking in general fitness or have a prior injury that makes land-based activity difficult. Finally, water-based activities work the entire body, serving as a form of both strength training even as aerobic training takes place. Swimming utilizes nearly all major muscle groups simultaneously, imparting a total body workout. Because of the inherent resistance of the water, swimming develops both muscle strength and endurance, as well as helps flexibility. Because of its horde of effects, swimming provides almost all of the aerobic benefits of running even as it yields many of the benefits of resistance training thrown in. Because swimming does not put the strain on connective tissues that running, aerobics and some weight training regimens do, swimming is the kind of low-impact workout that is perfect for seniors seeking to regain or maintain their fitness. This is a sport especially gentle to those who are physically challenged. The buoyancy factor of water makes swimming the most injury-free exercise available. So it is specifically interesting to seniors, especially those with any type of joint issues. In water, a person's body weight is reduced by 90% as compared to its weight on land. For example, a 220-pound man will weigh about 22 pounds if he is standing in chin-deep water. Exercises in water can also be done more often because of the low incidence of injuries, and it is more effective for exercising the entire body as any movement in water 12 times greater resistance than movement in air. For the elderly, water fitness is safe, fills the need for exercise, increases a body's range of motion, and is a low-impact exercise.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.